Hello friends, welcome to my channel Trading Wealth by Anu. Yesterday I had released a video Tera Kya Hua Nifty. This video is made in reply to my earlier video which was made on last Friday Tera Kya Honga Nifty. Okay, in this video we had tried to predict what will happen in this week, the week that went by, and here we have done the post-mortem that what has already happened and why it is happened in this video. Okay, so now today I am making a video on technical analysis, basic of technical analysis and what technical indicators are. My next video will be on ATRs, a very important technical tool. Okay, then on candles if time permits, and by Sunday evening I plan to release a video Tera Kya Honga Nifty which will cover the coming week, which will be from 4th of May 2020 till 8th of May 2020. I have made some important points which I will be releasing in this video. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to immediately receive my videos. And I would like to thank everyone for sharing my videos, liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. A lot of new people are joining. So let us start. What is technical indicator? Basically, technical indicator is anything which you apply on this price chart. As you can see, this is a candle chart. I will be making a candle chart. There are different type of charts. This is a bar chart. This is a line chart. Each has its own advantage and disadvantage. So basically, people prefer candle charts. Anything you apply on this will be known as a technical indicator. So technical indicators, what is a technical indicator? Technical indicator is nothing but a mathematical point made out of some calculations. To make technical indicators, basically you require three things. First, either you have a price based indicators, so you require a price chart like this, or the another indicators are based on volumes. So you require volume. Now here you see there are no volume. So you cannot apply a volume indicator on this. Okay. Now third, everything is based on open interest. Those indicators are based on open interest. Now open interest is only available in future and options. So if you take a index or a stock, this indicator will not work. So there are three types of indicators driving out of either price, volume or open interest. Then there are two types of indicators. One is lagging indicator and another is leading indicator. What is the difference between a lagging indicator and leading indicator? Lagging indicators have a dependency on the price closing. Until and unless a candle close, this indicator will not make any kind of calculation and will ignore this candle. And leading indicator always takes into the account the running candle also. Now I will explain you these 3 points over here. So this is a price chart. As you can observe, there is no volume, no open interest. Now I will put an indicator over here. Let me put a MACD. Very popular indicator. This is price based. It has nothing to do volume. Now let me put a volume indicator. What is the running on balance volume? You see, this indicator is not working because there is no volume over here. There is no volume. The moment I put a Reliance chart over here, this indicator starts to work because there is a volume over here. So what we understand from this is the indicators are divided into 2 parts. One indicator that is based on price and another indicator which is based on volume. Okay. Now third indicator if I put, which is open interest. This is open interest. The chart is not working over here. This is a stock chart. Now the moment I make this a future chart, now Reliance May future. this indicator starts to work because this is a future. So let me give you another example. Nifty 10,000 call. Okay. You see that these three indicators are working because this is an option chart. So my point is, if you are making a chart of future and option, this indicator will work. If you are making a chart of stocks, this indicator will work. But if you are making a price chart of index, these two indicators will not work. Let me show you. Nifty 50. You see, these both indicators have stopped working. So here I have explained you this point: price, volume, and open interest. In index, you only have index charts, you only have price. So only price indicator will work. In stocks, you have these both price plus volume. So these both indicator will work, but open interest will not work. Now, in futures and options, you have all three data. You have price data, you have volume data, and you have open interest data. So all the three indicators will work. I hope you have understand this point very well. Now let me come to my another point, which is leading and lagging. Okay. Now what happens over here? This is a candle chart. MACD is based on averages. Okay. This is nothing but an indicator which shows the movement of 12 and 26 days average. It has nothing to do with price. This is not a price indicator. This is an average indicator. Okay. Now how will it, suppose let me put a average over here. Suppose I put a average indicator. This is average indicator. 9 average. Now let me put another indicator. Average. Now what I will do, I will make it this one a 12. Okay. Now this I will make a 26. So basically these averages are shown over here in a presentation form as known as MACD. But the thing is, average takes the calculation of candle only when it closes. Now what do I mean by closing? Suppose you have taken a 15-minute chart. The moment a 15-minute candle time is over, the next candle will appear. Every candle will move on every 15 minutes. So what an average does, or average based indicator does, which are lagging indicator, they don't take into account the running candle, the present time. They will take only the candle which has already closed. Now another indicator. Now let me make another indicator which is sorry. Nifty 50. Okay, now indicator STOs. Now this indicator. Now this indicator what it does, now let me see this indicator. It doesn't wait for the candle to close. This indicator measures the highs and lows the moment it is made. It is not dependent on candle to close. That is why it also takes into the account the running candle which is over here. This is why they are called leading indicators. This is a major difference between a lagging indicator and leading indicator. But what happens? What happens is these leading indicators may be misleading also. But the average indicators, which are lagging indicators, are already producing a fact which has already happened because the candle is already closed. Na? This is the difference. Now let us take a chart of Nifty future. Nifty future. In Nifty future, you see all four indicators are working. Why? Because Nifty future first is a future product, derivative product. it has volume and it has open interest. Now if I take a chart of Reliance stock, this indicator is not working because this is not in future. Now if I make Nifty 50, only these two indicators are working because two important data are missing over here. What is missing? Volume is missing and open interest, because this is not in future, this is an index. So I hope I made you understand what are the different kind of indicators and what is required to make this indicator. If I conclude this video, I would like it to repeat. The indicators requires three things. There are three types of indicator: either price based, volume based and open interest based. Price based are the indicators which works on indexes because there is no volume given, no open interest. Volume indicator works on stocks because you have two data. You have price data and you have volume data. And the third indicator will work only on futures and options because you have all these three data. You have price, you have volume and you have open interest. Now another point which I showed you is lagging indicators and leading indicators. What does a lagging indicator do is it presents you the fact which has already happened. It waits for the the candle to close. This indicator takes into the calculation only and until the index closes, the candle closes. If the candle is working, it will not take the calculation. And the leading indicators generally measures the high and the low immediately they are made. They don't wait for the closed data. There are three data in a candle. One is open, high, low and close. For example, ATR indicator doesn't require this part. It will take these three parts only the moment it is made. The moment a candle opens, it starts to moving a calculation, the high and the low. So friends, I hope I have made few important points. Now what I will do, I will start making a video and each and different individual technical indicators as time permit. Please do not forget to share my video, like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Be safe.